Hello friends, welcome to Stock Market Pulse. I am Nitika. Let's check the pulse of the stock market. So let's today discuss the global market, US indices, commodities, and along with that we'll analyze the Nifty 50 chart and we'll find out important support and resistance and everything for next week. So to know the Nifty 50 level for the next week and important global market update, stay connected till the end and smash the like button and subscribe the channel for regular stock market update, indices weekly levels update. So let's first of all let's see this all the indices there. Even in Indian market, you can see Nifty 50 and Nifty Bank was it means was in red. It was in negative, and even Sensex also around 30-40% was down. And if you see the US market on Friday, you can see the Dow Jones DJI is 1% up, and even the S&P 500, this is also very good, looking very good, positive, and Nasdaq is even more than 1% up. So Nasdaq is looking very positive. So overall, you can see even S&P 500 is also this. I mean, small cap 2000. It is also more than 1% up. So overall, U.S. market, U.S. indices, you can see it is looking very positive for the last week, and it may give some boost up to the Indian market also. And if you see, if we talk about important commodities, so I can see, yes, gold and silver, which was in Diwali time last week only, this week, last week only, it was at it was means gold and silver were trading at its highest level. Gold was trading at around 1,35,000 per 10 grams, and even silver was trading around 1,60,000 around, if I'm right, per kg. So गोल्ड एंड सिल्वर दोनों दिवाली के टाइम पे बहुत ही अच्छे लेवल पे ट्रेड कर रहे थे, बहुत ही हाईएस्ट लेवल पे थे. But after Diwali, in 2 day, in 1 or 2 days only, the gold and silver is now the gold and silvers now are a little bit down. You can see when gold has come to the 4,000, around 4,100 was high for the Friday, and silver also at 48 around. Means if I've talked in rupees, तो gold जो है 1,23,000, 1,23,000 पहुंच गया in 1 or 2 days only after Diwali. And in Diwali, it was 1,34,000 around, and silver reached to 1,47,000, I guess 1,47,000, 1,50,000 around. If we talk other important commodity, Brent oil also rising high, and it you can see here it has reached to 67 around in on last Friday I'm talking. And 66 के 66.7 के आसपास पहुंच गया, which is it is rising, increasing, the prices is increasing, 67 dollar per barrel. And this is little bit negative sign, so that because of that HPCL, BPCL, ONGC were trading low on Friday because of increasing the Brent oil prices. Now important thing is currency. We should quickly check the currency also, and you can see Indian INR. If you see in INR, Indian rupees against dollar, it is trading at 87.88 around, around 87.8 के, जो कि लास्ट कुछ वीक में 89 तक भी पहुंच गया था. तो रुपीज वॉज falling. Now little bit rupees has actually little bit strengthened. तो ये एक गुड साइन है, दिस इज वेरी गुड साइन कि थोड़ा बहुत रुपीस जो है पावरफुल हुआ है अगेंस्ट द डॉलर. So these were important update about the global market I have just discussed. And important Q2 results also coming every single day. And today the Kotak Mahindra Bank result has come. You can go through, और नेक्स्ट वीक में भी इम्पॉर्टेंट रिजल्ट्स आने वाले हैं, सो दैट आई विल डिस्कस इन नेक्स्ट वीक Q2 रिजल्ट अपडेट. Now let's quickly go to the Nifty 50 chart and we'll see what was happening last week. So I have already discussed in my last week video that here I was that time last week हम यहाँ पे थे एंड दिवाली के 2-3 दिन की जो वेकेशन थी, 2 days, 22nd एंड 21st and 22nd. This 21st and 22nd, the market was trading in the here, and this was 23rd and 24th on Friday. So 23rd, 24th, the market was falling. On Friday, the Nifty 50 touched this level of breakout, or we can यहाँ पे you can see I discussed in my last video this breakout. Okay, it has even closed above this line of 25,670, and even given a uh, confirmation candle also above this candle, and but this candle was not that not looking that good, and from here the profit booking uh, started. और यहाँ पे यू कैन सी यहाँ पे टच किया हाई ऑफ 20, नॉट ऑल टाइम हाई, यस हाई ऑफ 26,100 के अराउंड, और जो हाई है वो है 26,277 एग्जैक्टली आई एम टॉकिंग, मतलब 250 to 300 के अराउंड, 26,250 के अराउंड हमारा ऑल टाइम हाई है ऑफ Nifty 50. But on Friday it has touched, not on Thursday, on Thursday it has touched the 26,100 around, and वहाँ से then started falling back to this breakout level, which I can say it may be a retest also, retest for Nifty 50. Yes, it is definitely retesting to this level after breakout, but we should definitely and very closely watch in next week, even on Monday, that this candle is being broken by Nifty 50 or not in next week. तो वी हैव टू वॉच दिस कि यहाँ पे ये क्या करता है Nifty 50, व्हाट इज गोइंग टू डू एट दिस लेवल इज 25,650, 670 अराउंड. अगर इसको यहाँ से इट इज टेकिंग अ रिवर्सल एंड गोइंग बैक टू दिस लेवल ऑफ 26,100 and even breaking this level, then it will definitely reach to all time high of 26,277. Otherwise it also it may break this level of 25,650 and go to will go to this level of 25,400 around, I can say, roughly 25,400 के पास भी आ सकता है, which is 20 EMA also. So we need to watch this level very closely next week and be mindful with these two important support of retest level of or breakout level of Nifty 50, and from here then again this 25,400 level of 20 MA also, and even you can see here and here it was taking support earlier. So this level is very important, और इसको ब्रेक करने के बाद तो यही एक लाइन है जो कि मैं कह सकती हूँ कि दिस इज अ ट्रेंड लाइन, जो कि अभी काफ़ी दूर दिखता है. आई डोंट फाइंड व्हाई शुड ब्रेक इन नेक्स्ट वीक ओनली, as US market is also showing good sign, positive sign. So I am not finding any reason why should Nifty 50 break this 20 EMA so early. So overall, we can understand this whole scenario of Nifty 50 for the last week and even for the next week also. ये रेजिस्टेंस ऑफकोर्स बन गया है अभी के लिए, और नाउ वी कैन सी दिस वाज an ascending triangle which I already discussed in my last video, that this is a ascending triangle breakout level, and this is the neckline. So this all these technical patterns you should also learn, which I am discussing here, that this pattern is showing the ascending triangle pattern, and this is the ascending triangle pattern breakout, and this is the retest, and this neckline is the retest level. Here it has taken resistance, this can be a first support, and breaking first support, this can be the next support, which is 20 MA. So, according to the technical analysis, I can discuss these level, these two three levels can be very important for the Nifty 50 for the next week. Earlier, I have discussed everything in global market update, US indices, commodity, currencies, everything, and I have analyzed the Nifty 50 chart also in detail. Once again, I will repeat the Nifty 50 level. Important support is 25,650, and then 25,400, and important resistance is 26,100, and then 26,277, which is all time high of Nifty 50. You can watch Saturday video also for the Nifty Bank level, and I have updated about the Tata Motor demerger and Q2 results update. You can watch that video also. I already posted. And today this is the Nifty 50 levels. So like and share the video and subscribe the channel for regular stock market update and indices levels update. Signing off.